Do your workouts feel a little scattered? Maybe you do something one day, skip a few days, try it again, try something different the next time, maybe skip a week, come back, try something, get too sore, and then quit altogether. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Most people don't need more exercises. They need a plan. They need a simple plan that they can actually follow week after week. In my last video, I shared 12 foundational movements that help you build strength for real life. Today, I want to show you how to organize these into a simple weekly structure so you're not guessing what to do anymore. Here's an easy way to think about your week. Our goal is to have 3 strength days, 3 active recovery or stretching mobility days, and 1 rest day. And you're going to be walking at least 5 days. All of this can be done at home with simple equipment or no equipment at all. Here's how your week is going to look. You're going to get your 3 strength days in on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You're going to get your 3 active recovery, mobility, balance workouts in on Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday is going to be your rest day. How simple is that? On your strength days, you're going to be using those foundational movements that our bodies were created to do. Things like squats, pushing movements like push-ups. You can do these against the wall, against the counter, on the floor. There are modifications for absolutely everything. We're going to be doing some upper body lifts. This is a press. We'll be doing some balance exercises during our recovery days. See how easy that is? Totally simple to work into your day. These movements and exercises strengthen us for everyday life. We use these when we're getting up out of a chair, we're getting into a car, we're climbing the stairs, we're putting something overhead. We're strengthening our bodies to be able to live the life that we want to live. The problem I see most people having is trying to do too much in one day. Oh my gosh, I forgot to do my workouts this week, so it's Friday, so I'm going to do 7 workouts today. Yeah, no, that doesn't work. Never ends well. Or doing a completely different workout all the time and you're not hitting the core points in your body. So there's no consistency. This simple structure fixes all that. It's brainless. You don't have to think about it. It's all there. You do the same thing every week as far as your strength on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, your recovery on Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. You're going to vary up the actual movements, but it's very simple. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. The key is you just do it. Life gets in the way. If you miss a day, forget about it. Go on to the next day's workout. Don't try to make it up. If you're feeling tired, maybe you didn't sleep well the night before, or you feel like you're coming down with something, or you're recovering from a cold, don't skip your workout. Schedule in a recovery day. That's what those are good for. It helps your body to heal if you move a little bit. Do some gentle stretching. Your workouts should be supporting your health, not stressing your life. Remember, you don't need to keep changing things every week. Repeating the same movements is actually what strengthens your body, makes it more stable, and makes you more confident. That's how you build real strength that carries over into real life. If you'd like to see the full set of movements that I was talking about in the previous video, I'm going to put a tag up here as well as in the description. So go check those out. If you missed that video, it's a good one. It'll give you some ideas on what to do. And also stay tuned for further videos because I'm going to be breaking things down into What are all the pull exercises? What are all the push exercises? So that you have a library of things that you can swap in and out for these movements. Remember, you don't need a perfect plan. You just need a plan that you're going to stick with. Thanks for joining me today. This is a new series, brand new, that I've come up with, and I know people are enjoying it. We're going to move on a little bit as we go along into some new movements. Be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you find out about these right away and you don't miss a single episode. Be sure to drop me comments too. I'd love to hear what you think about this new series and what you're doing and how you're loving it or hating it. And most importantly, I will see you right here online next